So Tom Lee says these three companies are the best companies. So we're gonna dive in these three companies. So we'll do some analysis and why you can buy these three companies. And of course, he kind of says that if you are investing in these kind of companies, and that will give you a massive on the upside, like a profit. So the first one is we're gonna talk about is Apple, and Apple is $233, well above $3 trillion market cap. So this company is purely, again, is getting attached to AI. And when it comes to AI in 2024, of course, everything is booming, and we are not looking on the downside. This company has potential just in order to get synced in anything what market can really invent or something, or the generation can invent. This company has the potential, and this can Apple can sync into that style, into that area. Like AI right now, the AI is like booming everywhere. The AI is the top hot topic in the entire market. Even if you take out of stock market, AI is the only thing that is a trending topic and trending thing. I think it will be for a few decades. And Apple is stepping heavily into that. And I think Apple will be one of the winner. I cannot say it will be the best, but of course it will play a very big part in AI, and Apple will do that. So what I'm seeing Apple by in a 1 year of range, and I'm seeing Apple clearly, very, very closely, and that will be probably 400 US dollars. Like by the next year ending, I'm seeing 400 US dollars. This company will explode. So talking about that, of course, it's a lot. $400 is a lot because also the share flow, the available shares of the Apple is in huge number. So let's go to the monthly charts and see. Look how the Apple chart looks. And of course, I'm seeing here, this is the range what I'm watching for Apple. This is the range what I'm watching for Apple in coming 1 year because of AI. Of course, this company, when the iPhone will come, and they are just making it just fuss out of it, and telling that Apple is going to release an iPhone and it will have some amazing AI stuff. And of course, when that thing will come out, and it will really explode, the stock will really explode because investors now, especially the hedge funds and institutions, they are really looking for some solid company, and they're trying to catch up a very cheap deal, and Apple can be that part. So investing in Apple for the long term is perfectly the best idea, and I'm going to do that, and even you can consider this. And the second company we're going to talk is Tesla. And here we go, Tesla again. Tesla, I think it will play a very massive part when it comes to AI, because now related to the cars, electric cars, and Tesla will do that. Even apart from the car, Tesla is doing a lot on the AI, and it's investing very heavily on AI. And now look at this Tesla. It got 51% in 3 weeks. We got that 51% raise. That is massive on Tesla. And I think once Tesla will get that massive attention, this stock will reach to $2,500 by, I think, in 2 years. But even if you're counting by the next year ending, like how we count on Apple, this stock really can reach easily to $1,500 very easily. But this stock right now is at its very cheapest price, and of course I will jump in this kind of price, and this is one of the best price that I can grab in. And that's the reason Tom Lee is telling, like, these companies, they play a very important role because as you know, Elon Musk, he is playing a very important role when it comes to an AI, because he believes that AI is the massive future. He already predicted before the AI was really exploding in the market, and now it's really happening. So what I'm seeing is $1,500 by the next year. This Tesla will explode. Right now it's trading at $257 by the time I'm recording this video. So this is a very early time to jump in if you're looking for the 1 year, 1.5 year period just to buy for the long term based on a pure cash. And this will be the best company to buy, and you will never ever regret. And that's the basis, that's the cost that Tom Lee is talking about. And the next company is one and only everyone knows, NVIDIA. Of course, NVIDIA is the master of everything. And now, when it's coming to AI, only one company speaks, and that is NVIDIA. Purely NVIDIA, $135 by the time I'm recording this video. And this company, NVIDIA, will give you the massive returns by the end of the next year. And I think this company can be highly possible. It can also set to $1,500 to $1,600 by next year ending, because the earnings and everything, this company all the time, they just kill it. They just nail it. We have no complaints on this company. Has no debts, and also, has no debts, and we'll be looking forward to add more and more shares in this company. I'm holding Nvidia, of course, I'm holding Tesla and also Apple, but I will be adding more and more shares in in Nvidia right now, because this is the top company when it comes to AI. So if you really like this, of course, if you really think that this is a good company, you can also invest in this company, and this companies will make you rich. It will make you rich in a way that you will never ever have to work again. But again, depends how much cash you're putting, depends what amount of cash, what amount of wealth you just put in these kind of companies, because these companies they are once in lifetime opportunity, because AI just started, and now all these three companies, they are trading on a very cheaper price compared to the what target price we are talking about. This company, $1,500 to $1,600 by the next year ending, we'll be seeing this price very, very easily, and explosion is on the way. Of course, that's the reason Tom Lee was talking about these companies. When it comes to AI, when it comes to this artificial intelligence, they play a very important role. And look at the structures of this company. Tesla, of course, they're investing heavily on AI and also the cars and many other stuff. But I don't want to go in much more in details because I don't want to make the video long. And when it comes to NVIDIA, of course, it's purely AI processing, processors, chips, and all. And Apple is the master of all. Of course, it tries to put hand in every big game as possible. And now Apple is trying to just take that big part, take that and trying to build a reputation in AI. And I think Apple will do that. Apple will nail it. But I cannot say Apple will be the top company. But all I can say is Apple will be on top 5 names, of course. And other names, of course, that can be Microsoft or Google or Amazon. But I think Nvidia, Apple, and Tesla, these are the 3 names that what I am seeing, and these companies will grow very massively. So Nvidia, the first one, what we got is $1,600 target price, what we are seeing. Tesla will be, of course, we'll be seeing $1,500, the same by the next year ending, and Apple will be seeing $400 by the next year ending. So these are the price targets what we will be setting, and what I'm seeing and how I'm seeing by the volume what we are getting in these kind of companies, and I see this stocks will explode to these kind of prices. So pay attention very closely and don't miss this chance. It's once in a lifetime chance, and you will change your life. Everything will be changing, and you will make heck of a lot of money, and you will literally double, triple your portfolios, and you will never ever have to work in your life anymore. So thank you so much for watching. If you really like this video, subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.